This here, believe it or not, is a post 2000 T2. Post 2000, you say? I didn't make him past 2000. I didn't even make him past 1987. Well, that's what I thought as well, until this customer turned up and told me I was wrong. So, it turns out the T2, it was correct, 1987, terminated in Germany. But then apparently Brazil bought it out and carried on making them until about 2014. Who'd have thought? Mental. But it didn't get any better. So this is one of the modern ones from Brazil, 2014, I think it is. And true to its name, the T2, it's rot as hell. It's not actually dreadful, but everywhere is rusty. All the normal places, just as a T2 would be, all around the rubber seals, all around the trims, everything is rotten, as they usually are, right? So if you come around here, let's have a look. I'll show you. Excuse the mess. The rubbish men haven't been, clearly. So there's a bit of rot round here, around the sills and stuff, and then usual places. Underneath the door, another usual place. Bottoms of the sills, bottoms of the arches, more usual places. Now, oh, hello, you absolutely giant spider. Blech. I think you mind that spider, he might eat you. Come through, you'll be all right. You'll be all right. Come on. It's only a spider. Quick. Oh, it's going to get you. Right, so usual places, obviously, around the bottom of the trims, bottom of the seals here, it's all rotten out. All the way around, there's bits and bobs. But it's nothing that we can't sort. Obviously, up there, that's gone as well, which is frustrating. It's on the white. We was hoping to keep it all under the line, just the blue. Now, it's also having a colour change. It's going to go more of a pastely blue. So if you look at that blue in there, have a look through the window. See the colour of the seats? That's a more pastely, more vintage blue down there, right? I don't think you actually saw, did you? Have a look. There you go. So that's the sort of blue we're going to be going for. Not this blue. It's a bit too modern. That. So we're going to go back to the vintage style blue after we've done all the repairs. Another fascinating fact about this motor with the T2, when Brazil bought the T2 pattern, they didn't keep the flat four engine. I don't blame them. However, they didn't help themselves out because what they did was put a 1.4 Polo engine in it. Have a look. 1.4 Polo engine in there. Now the downside to that is that that's all they did. So now they didn't change anything. They didn't change the gearbox, the running gear, nothing. Absolutely everything is exactly the same. So what the engine does is just overpowered and over modernised, and it just breaks everything else around it. Genius. So other than that, it is still a T2, which is really cool. You still get the parts for it, stuff like that. Fascinating to find out that they still produced until 2014. It's just absolutely really surprised me that did. So that's where we're at with this. So it's going to have all the welding work and the fabrication work done. It's going to go back to a pastel blue, so it looks more vintage, more period correct, so it doesn't look so modern. And then afterwards, he's asked us to have a look at the suspension, so we're going to have a look at the rear suspension because it sits a little bit pissed. The front suspension squeaky. There's a couple other bits like starter motor and just little maintenance bits that he wants done. So once we get it in there, we're going to do all the body work, strip it, get it up on the ramp, have a look, see what's going on underneath, and then see how we get on. Whatever's underneath, I guess we're going to end up fixing, aren't we? So yeah, that's that. Now stay tuned, keep updated. We will be posting more videos on this. I'm going to include the whole process, all the dirty ripping out of rusty bits, all the welding, fabrication, the paintwork, everything is going to be documented on here. So stay tuned, have a look, see if we can find any differences together, because I'm pretty sure under there is basically going to be a T2. I can't imagine anything has changed. From what I've heard, it's exactly the same. Be interesting to have a look and actually get it on the ramp. So yeah, follow along, like, share and comment on the video so it goes somewhere so people actually see it. Come back next week and hopefully we'll have some more videos on it for you. Toodle pip. See you in a bit. Much love.